has sharply criticized Pakistan over the reported violence in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, calling on Islamabad to be held accountable for what it described as brutality against civilians. According to reports, more than 30 people were killed and around 300 others injured in police action against protesters in several parts of Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. Reacting to the developments on June 9th, Ministry of External Affairs spokesperson Randhir Jaiswal said, "There have been desperate attempts by Pakistan to cover up its failures and divert attention from alleged human rights abuses." He further stated that there are reports of severe police brutality in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, where several protesters have been killed and many others injured, and called for international attention and accountability over the alleged abuses. Meanwhile, India also raised the issue at the United Nations, sharply criticizing Pakistan's reference to groups operating within its own borders as Fitnatul-Hindustan, India's permanent representative to the UN. Ambassador Harish Parvataneni described it as officially sponsored misinformation dressed up in religious terminology during UN Security Council meeting on the situation in Afghanistan. Last year, the government of Pakistan officially designated all armed groups operating in Balochistan as Fitnatul-Hindustan, alleging that these outfits were involved in terrorism at India's behest. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.